Outside air sensors are key for any building's HVAC system. They help the system adjust to weather, keeping rooms comfortable, saving energy, and protecting health. With good sensors, buildings make smart choices, using less energy and creating a healthier space for everyone. When installing HVAC sensors, location is everything. But did you know that a well-placed outside air sensor can actually help your building use less energy? These sensors are the key to unlocking free cooling, using cool outdoor air to regulate indoor temperatures instead of running the AC. By taking advantage of natural conditions, you can make your building smarter and more efficient, all while keeping occupants comfortable. Placement is crucial. Avoid areas affected by heat, moisture, or exhaust as these distort readings. Also, consider the sun's path. In the northern hemisphere, avoid south-facing walls. In the southern, avoid north-facing walls, since these get the most sun. Accurate readings let your HVAC system know when it's cooler outside than inside, so it can automatically bring in fresh air and cut down on mechanical cooling. This not only saves energy, but also extends the life of your HVAC equipment by reducing unnecessary runtime. Choose a shaded wall away from vents, roofs, or busy areas like loading docks. The goal is to minimize direct sun for the most accurate readings. For example, on a cool spring morning, your system can use outside air to cool the building for free, no compressors needed. Over the course of a year, these small decisions can add up to significant energy savings and a more sustainable building operation. Mount the sensor about 10 feet up, not too low or high, and use a bracket for good air circulation. This avoids ground heat or reflected sunlight. In schools or offices, this means you can keep spaces comfortable while saving on energy bills, especially during mild weather. Proper installation at the right height also helps prevent tampering and accidental damage, ensuring long-term reliability. Keep it clear of windows, doors, and anything nearby that could affect readings. In humid climates, avoid spots prone to condensation or runoff. With reliable sensor data, building automation systems can decide when to use outside air, reducing wear on equipment and lowering costs. Regularly check the area for new obstructions like growing plants or construction to maintain accuracy. The goal is a quiet, shaded spot that reflects true outdoor conditions. Check at different times to ensure it stays shaded, especially in areas with strong seasonal sun shifts. Over time, this simple step can lead to big savings and a more comfortable building. Consistent monitoring and occasional adjustments can help you get the most out of your sensor investment. Take time to scout the right location, it makes a big difference. Avoid mounting sensors above metal near AC units or in spots with variable airflow. Good placement means your system can automate free cooling and smarter operation all year round. A thoughtful approach now can prevent headaches and costly fixes down the road. Proper placement, tailored to your hemisphere, ensures your HVAC system gets the accurate data it needs. With outside air sensors, you can automate energy savings, reduce costs, and keep your building comfortable, just by letting the fresh air do the work. A few extra minutes planning can prevent costly errors and keep your system running at its best. Remember, a well-installed sensor is the foundation for efficient, reliable, and sustainable building performance. For accurate HVAC readings, always install sensors on the shadiest wall of the building. This is especially important for outside air sensors, which play a key role in free cooling strategies used in buildings around the world. In the northern hemisphere, like the USA, Germany, or Japan, use the north wall for your sensor. This keeps it out of direct sunlight and ensures reliable temperature readings. In the southern hemisphere, think Australia, South Africa, or Argentina, choose the south wall for the same reason. This simple step helps maintain accurate readings year-round. Avoid direct sun. Heat skews sensor readings, making your HVAC system less efficient and potentially wasting energy. Even a few hours of sunlight can cause significant errors. Remember, shade is your sensor's best friend wherever you are in the world. Outdoor HVAC sensors are constantly exposed to sun, wind, and rain. Each of these elements can seriously affect their accuracy and lifespan if not properly managed. Over time, exposure to harsh weather can lead to sensor drift or even failure, impacting your system's performance. Direct sunlight can cause false readings, so always use a solar shield to block excess heat. Rain and moisture can damage sensitive electronics, making a weatherproof housing absolutely essential for long-term reliability. Place sensors where there's gentle, consistent airflow, away from walls and windy corners, to ensure reliable and accurate data collection for your system. Mount sensors under overhangs and point them downward to protect from rain and snow. Careful placement and proper protection keep your HVAC system efficient, your sensors lasting longer, and your building comfortable year-round. HVAC automation means more comfort and lower bills. With smart sensors and controls, your system runs only when needed. No wasted energy, no guesswork. The result? Comfortable spaces, happy people, and real savings on your utility bills. Plus, you help the environment and your equipment last longer. That's the power of HVAC automation.